Hi guys, this is Don from DonDronesOn. August the 4th, 2018 on Beaver Lake near Tamworth and Erinsville, Ontario, Canada. And it's been a very, very hot summer and no end in sight. So I'm getting a little worried about the ice. So we're looking along here. This is the south shore of South Beaver Lake. I don't see a speck of ice anywhere in sight. Moved a little bit east here, still on the south shore. I'm looking for ice. I don't see any. Here's a little further along towards where the lighthouse is. Oh, no, that was a swim float. Here's Neville Point near the park. That looks mostly like lily pads. I don't see any ice here either. No. Oh, what's that? Oh no, those are just the floats for the swim lessons, so no ice there. Going along west, I guess, on Neville Point with North Beaver Lake in the background. I see a lot of people still with their docks in, so not too many people worried about ice along Neville Point. No, here. Okay, so here's North Beaver Lake towards the far west end. I don't see any here. Oh, what? No, that's just a swim raft, I think. Yeah, no ice along here either. Let's take a quick peek over the top towards South Beaver Lake. Ice status? We need more ice right now.